Hello dear students, welcome back. Okay, today we are going to study unit 3 line integrals of a paper second, which have a topic mass and moment calculation. Okay, so see what is the mass and moment of a calculation. So see, consider a spring or wire as a masses distributed along the smooth curve in a space. Okay, we consider a spring, or we call it as a wire, as a masses distributed along the smooth curve in a space. Okay, suppose density of mass at delta xyz is given by the function delta of xyz. Okay, suppose we consider here density of mass at delta of xyz is given by the function delta of xyz, that is the mass per meter length, which is equal to density and which is equal to delta of xyz, integration of a delta of xyz. Here we write a delta of a xyz. Okay, suppose that the shape of wire is given by the curve C. Suppose we consider here shape of wire which is given by the curve C in a space. So which is the parameterized by r of t is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk, where a less than or is equal to t less than or is equal to the b. The value of t lies in between a and b. Then if we consider C is the shape of a wire, and which is C is that curve C is parameterized by r of t is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk, a less than or is equal to t less than or is equal to the b, then density function along C is delta of, see here, delta of x t yt zt. Okay, then the density function along C curveच्या along density function काय घेतलं आपण, delta of xt yt zt. If st is a arc length function along the C, st is a arc length function along the curve C, then the arc length differential is ds is equal to, ही जी arc length आहे st तिचा आपण काय घेतो डिफरन्शिएशन, ds is equal to square root of काय dx by dt bracket square, म्हणजेच that dx by dt bracket square derivative of this function dy by dt bracket square plus dz by dt bracket square into dt, which is the differential of a arc length differential of this arc length function. Okay, now then if this is the ds, then the total mass of the spring or a wire is, तर त्या वायरचं टोटल मास काय असणार बघा, m इज इक्वल टू, वी हॅव फॉर्म्युला इंटिग्रेशन a टू b, t ची व्हॅल्यू कुठून कुठे व्हॅरी होते a टू b, सो हिअर इंटिग्रेशन a टू b डेल्टा ऑफ xt yt zt, डेल्टा ऑफ xt yt zt, density function along curve C, delta of xt yt zt into ds, that means arc length differential, which is square root of dx by dt square plus dy by dt square plus dz by dt square. So we write this as इंटिग्रेशन a to b delta of ds. ओके, म्हणजे डेल्टा तुमचा काय असणार आहे, डेल्टा ऑफ एक्स टी वाय टी झेड टी, आणि ds ची व्हॅल्यू काय, ही जी व्हॅल्यू ही कसली व्हॅल्यू ds ची. सो हिअर वी राईट integration a to b delta of ds will be the total mass of the spring. Okay, this is the first our formula, m is equal to. Next, second, first movement above the coordinate planes. कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन्सला काय मोमेंटम असणार बघा, फर्स्ट अबाउट वाय झेड प्लेन मोमेंटम काय असेल एम वाय झेड, अबाउट वाय झेड, सो एम वाय झेड विच इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन सी एक्स डेल्टा डी एस. नेक्स्ट मोमेंट अबाउट एक्स झेड प्लेन, सो एम एक्स झेड विच इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन सी वाय डेल्टा डी एस. and moment about xy plane mxy which is equal to integration cz delta ds. Okay, these are the movements about the coordinate planes yz, xz and xy. Okay, now third will be the coordinate of the center of a mass. Center of mass चे coordinates बघा, x bar is equal to myz divided by m. सेंटर ऑफ मास एक्स बार वाय बार झेड बार त्याचे काय असणार आहे, कोऑर्डिनेट असणार आहे. मग एक्स बार कसा फाइंड करणार, वी हॅव फॉर्म्युला एम वाय झेड डिवाइड बाय एम विच इज सेकंड y bar is equal to mxz divided by m, and third z bar is equal to mxy divided by m. These are the coordinates of the center of the mass. Next, fourth, movement of inertia about axis and the other lines. बघा, about x axis moment of inertia काय असणार आहे, ix. We denote it by ix, which inertia. I stand for inertia. So about x axis, so here I suffix x आलेला आहे बेसला x, which is equal to integration c y square plus z square into delta ds. Okay, this is the momentum about the x axis. Next, momentum about y axis, iy is equal to integration c x square plus z square into delta ds. About z axis, iz is equal to integral over c x square plus y square into delta of ds. And moment of inertia about any line IL, so it is denoted by L. L stand for the line. So IL, momentum of inertia about any line L, which is equal to integration over c r square delta ds. Okay, now we take example on this. So we take here example. See here example, a slender metal arc denser at the bottom than top. Okay, we have a slender metal arc which is denser at the bottom than the top. Top पेक्षा bottom ला काय ती denser दिलेली. Okay, lies along the semicircle. आता हे जे slender metal आहे ते काय दिलेलं आहे, which is lies along the semicircle. Y square plus z square is equal to 1, where z is greater equal 0. Okay, in the yz plane. Okay, lies along the semicircle y square plus z square is equal to 1, z is greater, which is lies in the plane yz plane. Plane काय दिलं बघा तुम्हाला, yz plane. Find the center of mass of the density at the point xyz. त्या xyz पॉइंटला तुम्हाला त्या मासची काय फाइंड करायची, डेन्सिटी फाइंड करायची. ऑन द आर्क इज डेल्टा ऑफ xyz इज इक्वल टू 2 मायनस झेड. आर्क काय दिली बघा तुम्हाला, डेल्टा ऑफ xyz इज इक्वल टू 2 minus z. Okay, so see here solution. Since the arc in the yz plane is parameterized, so we get r of t is equal to, ह्या ज्या yz प्लेनचे आर्क आहे त्याला आपण काय केलं, पॅरामीटराइज केलं. काय मिळालं, r of t is equal to cos of t j plus sin t k, where t lies in between 0 to pi. आता इथे सेमी सर्कल दिलेले आहे. सेमी सर्कल कुठून कुठे असणार आहे, रेंज 0 to pi, म्हणून t ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे इथे, थिटा 0 to pi. ओके, सो दॅट वी टेक हिअर velocity v bar of t which is equal to cos t have a derivative minus sin t, j cos t have a derivative sin t have a derivative minus cos cos. So here we get plus cos of tk, and okay, where t lies in between 0 to pi. So that we take here mod of v bar of t which is equal to square root of काय velocity चा mod फाइंड करतो आपण, square root of dx by dt square plus dy by dt square plus dz by dt square. तिथं cos t चा आपण काय घेतला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, काय आला मायनस साइन टी. साइन टीचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आलेला आहे, cos t. ओके, हाच तुमचा काय dx by dt आणि हा तुमचा काय dy by dt. सो हिअर स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ dx by dt विल बी 0. dx by dt काय 0, x ची व्हॅल्यू आय ची कोऑर्डिनेट आहे की इथे नाही आहे, म्हणजे तो काय 0. y चे कोऑर्डिनेट काय म्हणजे dy by dt काय आहे इथे, j चा कोऑर्डिनेट हिअर j चा कोऑर्डिनेट मायनस साइन टी, सो मायनस साइन टी स्क्वेअर प्लस dz by dt स्क्वेअर, z चा कोऑर्डिनेट काय तुमचा cos t, सो हिअर cos of t square plus 0 square, which is equal to square root of काय मिळेल sin square minus sin t will be sin t bracket square will sin square t, and cos t square is equal to cos t square cos square of t. Okay, we know sin square t plus cos square t is equal to 1, so mod of v bar of t is equal to 1. Hence ds म्हणजेच काय तुमचा mod of v dt which is equal to mod of v काय आला 1, म्हणजेच ती व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे 1 dt काय dt. Okay, so which is only dt. Next we have to find mass. M is equal to integration over c delta of ds. We know that mass will be integration c over delta ds. Okay, which is equal to integration c delta have a value 2 minus z, so we write here 2 minus z into ds. Okay, which is equal to integration 0 to pi 2 minus z have a value sin t. Okay, see here r of t is equal to cos t j plus sin t k, म्हणजे z ची व्हॅल्यू काय तुमची sin t, y ची व्हॅल्यू काय cos t, आणि x काय आहे तुमचा 0. सो हिअर वी राईट इंटिग्रेशन 0 टू पाय 2 मायनस sin t dt विच इज इक्वल टू z ची व्हॅल्यू काय पुट केली आपण sin t. सो हिअर sin t 2t 2 have a integration 2 as it is and 1 have a integration t minus sin t sin t have a integration minus cos t minus काय होईल plus. So here 2t plus cos t range varies from 0 to pi, limits varies from 0 to pi. Now upper limit minus lower limit 2 pi plus cos of pi minus 2 0 plus cos of 0, 2 pi as it is, sin pi will be the minus 1, so we write here minus 1 minus 0, 2 into 0 will be 0 plus s plus cos of 0 ची व्हॅल्यू काय plus 1. So here 2 pi plus minus 1 will be the minus 1 0 0 and here minus, so here minus, so we get minus 1. That means 2 pi minus 1 2 pi minus 2. This is your mass. Okay, next we have here yz plane. Okay, so we find the mass along yz xz plane na, sorry yz plane. So for a yz plane mxy is equal to integral over c 2 delta ds, integration over c z delta will be the 2 minus z ds, which is equal to integration 0 to pi z have value sin t into 2 minus z have value sin t into dt, which is, if we solve this integration then we get 8 minus pi by 2. Since arc lies yz plane, we have the coordinate of center of mass as x bar is equal to 0, y bar is equal to 0, z bar is equal to mxy divided by m. That means which is equal to mxy 8 minus pi by 2 into m. M will have a value 1 upon 2 pi minus 2. So which is equal to 8 minus pi divided by 4 pi minus 4. 2 ने काय केले इकडे मल्टिप्लाय केले. This is our last answer. Okay, thank you.